Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix touch issue of iPhone 6 by replacing touch driver or touch IC. Here it is. You wanna know how just I predict or know the particular IC was damaged? It's by the previous experience. I know that, and I followed the schematics. It's pretty easy. It's not rocket science. I just remove these two capacitors to make space for my chooser. You just have to know what you are doing and have good skills on your hot air gun and soldering iron. Just that's enough, and you can do whatever you want to on your PCB or logical board. Just clean it properly here. I'm replacing a new touch IC. Here it is, the old one. Here we go with a new one. Just make sure you are placing it in a proper position. Hold it for a while and apply some heat, and remove your chooser. Just apply enough heat that make sure it has stick properly. Okay, it had done. If you wanna place the capacitors back, you can, otherwise no problem, it doesn't matter. Just check it out first of all, does it work. Let's cool it. Be careful of your LCD, you might damage it, so it's better to use damaged LCD while checking your handset. Here it is, it's working. We have successfully replaced the touch driver and we have fixed the touch issue of iPhone 6. I hope you like this video. For more useful videos, please subscribe our channel.